my under 30 women that have recipes, where are you at? Damn it. Not one? Okay, great. Here we go. I love it. What's your recipe? Oatmeal raisin cookies, okay. Dessert? You're from the South, so, okay, we covered dessert. Did you make any food? Mostly fried stuff is good. Like what? Like what, for instance? Oh, fried chicken. That is the recipe. That is. Yeah, because it's written somewhere how to make it. So it's officially a recipe. But that's great. You make fried chicken and oatmeal raisin cookies. That's great. They're laughing at you. I'm laughing. I'm supporting you. And this is your boyfriend? Is this your boyfriend? Oh, great. How is it? How's the fried chicken? Why are you laughing? Are you thinking of an answer right now? He said, I've only had the cookies. She hasn't even made the recipe for him. He hasn't had the fried chicken. He's like, what the hell are you talking about, fried chicken? What is this fried chicken you talking about? All right, I'm sorry. I was going to leave this conversation, but why haven't you made from the fried chicken? Oh, it's only been a month. Give it up for them. Oh, a month. Right. She's like, you don't deserve it yet. You gotta earn this fried chicken, bitch. You don't want to rush things. Give me a fried chicken too soon. She's like, I want him to like me for other reasons.